So I'm at the Caddy's Kitchen right now at the Ferguson, Missouri. We're trying their food today. There's a lot of options actually that I can't even choose what I want in here. Everything looks delicious and looks really good reading it. It's my favorite reading material. I asked them to let me have it for a short moment here before we get our food. So what I've actually got is I got this burger. I was actually debating if I was gonna get the shrimp chicken breast with asparagus, but instead I got this new menu that they have. The new item in their menu is a spicy chipotle ranch burger. It has a half-pound burger on a Kaiser bun, topped with mozzarella and provolone cheese, jalapeno peppers, onion, chipotle ranch, and fries. So I am very curious how spicy this is going to be. I'm not a big fan of spicy food, but this just looks and sounds delicious to me, so I'm definitely ready to try it. Oh, one more thing. I love corns, so I'm also ordering a deep fried corn with the barbecue seasoning it. So it's going to be called the fried barbecue corn here on the menu. So I mentioned earlier that we actually got the burger, but instead what we got is the chicken, the shrimp chicken breast with asparagus. So it's one of my two choices, so I'm sure you got confused, but I think this is going to be dope still, so I'm going to definitely try that. I'm super excited. It looks very creamy, as you can see. We got the shrimp there on top, we got the chicken on the bottom, and we got the asparagus on top. And this one, I am super excited to try this. I love corn and whatever seasoning they have in here. It's okay if they made a mistake because, everybody makes mistakes and we're all human. So, I used to be a server before and I made mistakes, and I understand it. It's not easy sometimes. But hopefully this is delicious. We'll see. So I want to try. Oh, that's actually very creamy. That's that cheese that they got in here. What is in that? And that it's like monster cheese is what's in here. Super excited this one. Wow. I like it. There's a lot of flavor in there. I love the saltiness of it from the cheese. And this is the shrimp. I can see that it's still smoking in here. You can see that freshly made. Man, that's actually good. Maybe this was better than getting the burger. Now, we're gonna try and dig it in with the chicken in here. Look at that. That chicken is like on the river of this creamy white sauce right now. Oh, look at that. That actually looks delicious. I gotta say, I'm actually not disappointed this time. Ooh. Wow. There's a lot of flavor in that chicken. And that cheese is great balance to it. It's creamy. Wow, delicious. I could just keep on going at this. Oh my God. I have never had best chicken in my life, but this has got to be one of the best chickens I've ever had. Everything in this dish is perfect. Now I'm super excited to try the corn on the cob and barbecue seasoning on it. See that chicken? It's not that difficult to break it with the fork, as you can see. It's right there, easy peasy. Well, we still need our knife, but I'm using my one hand, cutting it with my fork. It's doable. You see it's tender. And then, I don't know what kind of sauce they've really put in here, but it's actually delicious. I definitely would recommend for you guys to try this. This is the Kathy's Kitchen. Wow. So here's like the charred part of the chicken. This is gonna be the best part. If you see a charred part of your food, that's usually the best piece. Oh my God. Take a look into that. Delicious. I wish my camera would focus though, but all right, I'm digging in. Dip it in here on the lava of white sauce. Wow, creamy, delicious. And and just the feeling is very comfort filling when you take a bite of this. All right, now I gotta tell you, there's only one other place that I actually go get chicken for. Drive back to Edwardsville, actually where I went to college for, and I go to La Fonda, and the chicken there is amazing. But I think I found another place for me to get chicken, which is closer to where I live by. So I'm definitely gonna come back here, and if I want some chicken, really delicious chicken. It's creamy, and like I said, I mentioned this over and over again. And the chicken is not dry; it's juicy. The sauces have a little bit hint of sweetness into it, and saltiness from the cheese. And I don't know what else. I can't figure the taste out, but it makes you want to go dip for more. I wish I kind of have a bread in here so I can like scoop out all the sauce and soak that bread with all these white, juicy, and creamy sauce. Definitely, I love it. Even though they gave me the wrong food, actually, maybe that's better. I might not have loved the burger, but this one is much better, I think. All right, so I'm excited now because this is like the best part of my meals is the deep fried corn. I love corn. So, yeah. Wow. Sweet. Wow, I'm dipping it again. I can't figure out the taste. The barbecue Cajun style, I think. Barbecue Cajun? I don't know. Wow. It's packed with flavor. There's a lot of herbs in there too. Wow. Definitely have to try this one. I think this time I ordered everything that I like. Wow, this is delicious. That corn is fantastic. Oh my God. That's something that you guys definitely have to try out. So I'm trying to figure out what's the taste from this corn that makes it so good. I think there's some sugar in it that just balances it. It's really good. I've been trying that sauce, and I think there's some sugar in it. It's delicious. I don't know what she put in here. It's amazing. All right, overall, I would say this place gotta be 10 out of 10 in my book. I'm taking some stuff home. I'm so excited. Look at that. I'm trying to cut back on how much I eat, so we're gonna have some to go today. Great. So that was kind of interesting. I actually met the owner, which is Kathy, and she actually told me that the Restaurant Impossible actually reached out to her to redo the restaurant before Drake's Place. And remember we went to Drake's Place, and I didn't like the thing that I ordered at Drake's Place, but I'm glad that they didn't accept the offer. I think it was just delicious. The food was great. Oh, I left my food. Oh my God, I left my food. I have to come back. So I was too busy recording and I left my food. I went and run and get it. So, oh my God, now I'm holding it. Anyway, oh my God, this delicious place. I'm definitely going back. Yeah, just try it out. Try Kathy's Kitchen here in Ferguson. Pigs out.